Look at this boy. He's having a ball. It's his first Christmas. And just like that, she's already made her way up the tree. And this one's being a good boy. There it goes.
That was fine.
What about the other side?
Hold the line here shortly.
I'm back from Dollar General and I'm so happy with this whiteboard. My daughter has already been drawing on it, and I have these command hooks, and I think I'm gonna hang it on this wall here. So we're gonna put a command hook up, and then I'm gonna take this plastic off and hang it up here. I went to Dollar General. My daughter didn't go with me because she is sick again, unfortunately. And I'm really sad about it, and we had plans, and we couldn't make our plans, so we didn't get to go. But I'm gonna put this command hook on the wall, and then we're gonna hang this board up. I also have Christmas presents I need to wrap. I need to do a haul for you guys. So if you've never used a command hook before, this is the sticky. You peel this off, back, stick it to the wall, and then you put this on here. So I'm gonna hang it. Let's see. I don't know if y'all can see. Okay, I think right here would be good. So right there, look out. Kitties are in the way. Because the Christmas tree is on the other side of the room. So I may move it when the Christmas tree comes down. I'm pretty sure this is how you do it. I've never used a command hook. Hopefully this won't be crooked. And I gotta take the, like this plastic part, and then I'll throw that away off the board. It was $15 at Dollar General. And then I showed y'all I had got 2 Fruit of the Loom sweatshirts. They were 2 for, they were buy one get one half off. And I needed a new stopper for the tub because it's not holding water. And then yesterday before work, Babe had to put brakes on my car because the brake pads were going out. And so we did that, and I have put the back. Okay, so this is how it. Oh, why did it fall? It fell. Oh, I didn't. Okay, so there's a hook. Okay, hang on. Let's see what I did. Hang on. I'm supposed to use. I used this instead of this part. Okay. Oh no! It came off the sticky part. What in the heck? Alright, I'll come back. Okay, so I got the whiteboard hung up, and this is what it's looking like. So, on here, I hope y'all can see okay. I started the grocery list. We need bananas, milk, strawberries, yogurt, and water. And then over here, I've got Vlogmas, tonight. Well, right here I got week of December 6th to 12th, 2021. And I have a bunch of Vlogmas videos to make up. And my daughter drew that because I have a new job that I'm about to talk to you guys about, and it's third shift. So, and I'm behind, and it's already Tuesday the 7th. So, my nephew had a basketball game tonight, and I need to do Vlogmas, and I couldn't go because my daughter's sick, and then I need to clean tomorrow, and then on Thursday I want to take my daughter to get her learner's permit. I figure she'll be feeling better by then. Thursday night I have work from 8 p.m. to 6:30. On Friday I'm going to pick out a washer and dryer at the power company. I got approved for almost $2,000 to get a washer and dryer, and I only had to pay down $165 because we've been using the laundromat since we lived in my townhome, because I had a washer but I don't have access to it. If you guys want to know why, I'll talk more about that in another video. It's a long story. But and then I have work that night on Thursday night. Friday, can y'all see this? Friday, work 8 to 6:30. Okay, I already talked about Friday because that's when I'm going. That's here. That's when I'm going to get the washer and dryer. We gotta pay our rent. I need to pay my power bill this day. This is here. And I have work. And then I have work Saturday night and Sunday night. So, I also want to show you guys what I got at Ross and what I have to wear for work. It's our, basically what we have to wear. Sorry guys, let me see. So at work, it's personal protective equipment, it's PPE, and we have to wear these hard hats. So I have to wear these hard hats. I have to wear this with like my hair up. And then what we do, okay, so there's an industrial plant about, they make cars, and it's about 45 minutes from where I live. If I take the highway, it would probably be about, I mean the interstate, it would be about 30, but I go down the highway. And then we have these safety glasses that we wear, but I'll wear these over my eyeglasses, and then I have to wear this, and then when we get to work, we have a white bodysuit that goes over a long sleeve work shirt, and we're allowed to wear work pants. So I've been wearing, like, we can wear blue jeans as long as they don't have rips in them, or we can wear, like, I've been wearing black jeans. So this is what I have to wear. That's my PPE. This new job, I feel like it's a new beginning because I was at a nursing home and they were like, want me to come to work sick when I had bronchitis, and it was terrible. It was just awful, and everybody was very rude, and it was just not good for my mental health. So I applied for this job because it's $15 an hour, which is really good money, and it's 4 nights a week. So I work Thursday night, Friday night, Saturday and Sunday night from 8 p.m. to 6:30 a.m. Now, when I started my YouTube channel, I first started it as a hobby. I love doing YouTube, and I want YouTube to be my full time, but I'm not making any money doing YouTube right now. You have to have at least 1,000 subscribers, and that is my goal. But I have to, I have to have a job, a full-time, which I do make YouTube my full-time job as well. I just have to wait about some of my videos because I'm really tired during the day now that I'm working. But I am off on Monday, Tuesdays, and Wednesdays, and that's when I'm going to be able to upload videos for you guys, and I'm super excited about that. I'm still going to try my best to do Vlogmas. But yeah, so it's new beginnings. That's my new job. I'm in the paint department, and that's where they paint the parts to the cars. And I'm a machine cleaner, so my job is to go in there and make sure the area is clean. We have to, like, clean walls, scrape walls, mop, like, it's all kind of stuff, and it is not easy. Some of it's easy, but it's not easy standing on your feet all night, bending, and lifting. It's just, and it's dangerous. We have lockout tagout, where we have a lock and key that we have to put on a lock box before we go in, so people know not to turn that machine on, because if they do and we're in there, we could burn up or something, because we go in ovens, we go in booths, we go where the conveyor belts are, which they're always off, of course, and no one's to turn them on when we're working in there. And it is a lot, but like I said, it is $15 an hour, and it does pay every week. And after so many days, there's more, like benefits, stuff like that. And yeah, that is all about my new job. And what else? I already showed y'all what I got from Dollar General, the towels, the sweatshirts. And yeah, I think I'm going to end this video here. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.